Good day, friends. I'm Dr. Pushpinder Kaur from Akal Eye Hospital, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. So today we are going to speak about LASIK laser. LASIK laser is a wonderful technique. Earlier, people who had spectacle errors, people who had refractive errors could not go in for number of employment options. They could not go into showbiz, they could not go into forces, they could not go into contact sports, and generally people used to have bad image about themselves, that they were not looking good or something like that. Though according to me, refractive error is like any other error or any other body structure. A person is tall, a person is short, a person may be little bulky, or it may be very thin. So this all in the long term doesn't really matter, but it's just about personal confidence. So some people are very keen about it. So refractive error as such is not a disease. Okay, so starting with that, but with today's very competitive world, people feel that they feel inadequate with glasses, and looking after and using contact lenses is very cumbersome, especially in a country like India, where the environment is very dusty and hot, and chances, and people are not very particular about the hygiene. So where little bit of relaxation, the contact lenses can be really nasty. You can end up with corneal infections. I know of certain people who have gone into real nasty infections with contact lenses if you don't clean the lens properly, or if you tend to sleep with lenses on, or you have not cleaned the lenses, or the case you can end up with nasty infections. And I have seen know a few people where we had to do keratoplasty for nasty corneal ulcers. So having said all that, LASIK has come as a boom. It's come as a blessing for such people. So earlier I used to say that, yeah, some people claim that, okay, if you walk barefoot on the green grass, you will get rid of glasses, or some drops if you put, you will get rid of glasses, which is all nonsense. The glasses cannot be removed with any medicine or any walking on the green grass, or having certain medicines or any such thing. So the only treatment for removing the spectacles is LASIK laser. LASIK laser, with this people tend to get a new life. I had a patient who was from Singapore. She was married to a Punjabi man. She came here and she had pretty high number, and she used to be wearing contact lenses and spectacles. So when I did LASIK for her, she said, I feel like dancing. In my OPD, she said, I want to sit there and stand here and do Bhangra, because it's like a new life to me. So what exactly is LASIK laser? In LASIK laser, what we do, again, I will take the help of this. So we have three types of, you can say, refractive errors. Normally the rays of light which they come onto the eyes, after all the refraction, they should get focused onto the retina. But if there is hypermetropia, where either the eyeball is smaller than normal, or the curvature of cornea is different, the rays of light, instead of focusing onto the retina, they cross the retina and they are focused behind. They not cross the retina, but we get a virtual image behind the retina. So on the retina we get a blurred image. In myopia, the eyeball is longer than normal and the curvature of the cornea is more. So the rays of light, instead of focusing onto the retina, they get focused somewhere here and then they diverge. So again you get a blurred image on the retina. So eye is like a camera. So if you get a clear focused image, you see very clearly. So in laser, what we do in LASIK laser, we sort of change the curvature of the cornea, and the focus is right onto the retina. Okay. So this is basically what we do. We are not going into the eye or operating anything. We are changing the curvature of the cornea on the eye.